What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious KFC pepper mayonnaise. This recipe is super delicious and very easy to make because it doesn't include any cooking process. So if you want to know the full recipe, watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make this KFC pepper mayonnaise, I am using red jalapeno pepper and black pepper. Our KFC pepper mayonnaise is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this with chicken strips, fried chicken or any fried item that you like. So that's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.